Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 320i M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition and complemented by the blue M Sports brakes just behind. We've got the Estoril blue metallic exterior paintwork on this vehicle, which looks absolutely fantastic. M's performance styling kit as well, including the front splitter and the side skirts you can see just there. Coming around to this corner you've got the black kidney grills at the front, and there's a look at your front profile. Great looking cars these. Coming around to the corner you've got your second 19-inch alloy wheel, black wing mirrors, colour coded door handles. You've got the shark fin antenna on top of the roof just there, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've got the M Performance decals at the bottom there as well. Coming to the rear, you've then got your third 19-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. At the back here we've got the spoiler finished in black, which really sets the rear off nicely. We've also got the black diffuser down at the bottom just there. As you can see we've got our reversing parking sensors, which do also have a visual display inside of the vehicle. Open up the boots here, plenty of storage space inside for whatever you may need. Closing that up, you'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And let's have a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior next, we've got a full black Dakota leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. You've got the ISOFIX points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre, 12 volt connectivity and the vents just above, storage nets behind the front seats. On the doors, integrated speakers. We've got the silver trim just here with the brushed metal handle, electric window controls there as well. Going on to the front now, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior, and again how fantastic do these seats look. Now both front seats are heated, which can be controlled in the centre just there. Going on to the doors, we've got our Harman Kardon sound system throughout, which again sounds fantastic. Electrically adjustable wing mirror controls with electric window controls and child lock for the rear. Going on to the front now, we've got the auto light controls on our right there. Stepping inside, foot on the brake, start button just behind the steering wheel, and we are away. Now you've got your speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here, as well as phone controls, volume controls, etc. Paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears. Auto wiper controls on your right, auto high beam assist on the left. Start button and start technology hidden behind there. In the centre you've got your infotainment screen with features like satellite navigation. You've then got your media, so on here things like DAB, FM and AM radio, CD, Bluetooth and USB, phone connectivity for making calls or listening to your music. Put the vehicle into reverse, you've got a visual display of your rear parking sensors, and then we've also got different driving modes in here consisting of Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, so you can pick and choose which mode best suits your driving style at the time. Working our way down, hazard lights and our lock and unlock button, stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls just below so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently, heated seat controls for both front passengers there as well. We've also got a convenient shortcuts like the Max AC. Additional storage space with 2 good sized cup holders and 12 volt connectivity below there. Traction control and different mode selects on these 2 switches. You've then got your gear stick here, so we've got reverse, neutral, drive, and then if you put it across to the left you've got manual/sport mode, so you can take manual control with the gear stick like so as well should you wish. You've then got your shortcuts and control wheel again for the infotainment screen, and then last but not least we've got our soft touch leather armrest, which does double up as storage. You'll find a USB port in there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 320i. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger just there, and we're now cruising at our current speed. It's very easy to adjust the speed with that same trigger in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5, and then to deactivate we can either press the cruise control again or apply pressure to the brakes. Now we've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 5th gear, up to 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and as we're slowing down into 3rd, 2nd, and then 1st. And as you can tell, all three of those gears completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. And then to get back into automatic control, we'll simply push the shifter across from the left to the right, and we're back into complete automatic. Now we are just stuck in some traffic before the roundabout, but we will be taking a left at the end. It's a good time to talk about the interior features of this vehicle. Of course, it's incredibly comfortable with the full Dakota leather interior. Of course, heated seats for both front passengers as well. The dual zone climate control is incredibly easy to use with the convenient shortcuts like the Max AC. And then as well as that, of course, we've got the Harman Kardon sound system, which ties really nicely into the infotainment screen. So on the infotainment screen, you've got lots of modern technology, including Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, satellite navigation. Of course, we've got a visual display of our parking sensors on there as well. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as offering free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years as well. We're also a 5-star dealership. If you look online, we've got over 400 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, where we post daily. So head over to our social media accounts, any of those platforms I just mentioned, to see what we get up to and to see all the latest stock we get in at RS Car Sales. Now, just up ahead, I am going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park, where I'll perform an emergency brake. I'll put the vehicle into reverse, and then I'll also drive over a speed bump as well, just to put the car through its paces a little bit for you. So we'll just wait for the traffic to pass, and then we'll perform those tests. Okay, so turning in just now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp on the brakes there, no problems at all. Straight into reverse. Of course, we've got a visual display of our sensors on the screen when we go into reverse. And then the last test is, of course, driving over the speed bump. There we go, completely free from any unwanted knocks or bangs throughout this entire journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. But if there is anything we have missed in our video online photos, video walk around, or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.